How much do rims cost? If you're planning on purchasing a rim for yourself and you're wondering how much do rims cost, then you've come to the right place. In the car business, rims have evolved into an aesthetic standard. They are the first modification that many car enthusiasts make to enhance both the vehicle's appearance and performance. But these days, high-quality rims are also pricey, particularly if you choose models made by respected companies. Wheel coverings are obsolete today. They don't last very long, are very simple to steal, and seem rather cheap because they're made of plastic. As a result, automakers began fitting aluminum, alloy wheels with elaborate patterns that complemented the appearance of the car. So, let's learn about the rim's cost. Since many years ago, steel wheels and rims have been in demand. As you can see, steel is frequently used in automobiles, from trucks to supercars. Alloys have, nonetheless, been a common product in recent years. They are currently installed on the majority of compact or ultra-compact cars. The price of a steel wheel can range from $50 to $200 per rim, depending on the brand, size, and design. However, some high-end stainless steel wheels with chrome finishes can run upwards of $500. These are typically placed on vintage automobiles. Benefit steel rims are a good alternative for heavy-duty cars since they are strong and resistant to high loads. Because of this, long-distance semi-trucks nearly always have steel wheels, which have coverings to make them look nicer. Additionally, unlike aluminum, alloy, and carbon fiber wheels, which frequently bend and crack, steel wheels do not as a result of their exceptional impact damage resistance. Drawback: due to their weight, steel wheels reduce a vehicle's fuel efficiency and raise emissions, both of which are undesirable in the modern world and the fight against global warming. The heavier weight also has an adverse effect on comfort and handling since it requires the suspension to exert more effort to control wheel movement. Not to mention, the car's acceleration capabilities will be inferior. Steel is also prone to rust, but modern producers have developed stainless steel alloys to combat this. Finally, steel rims are difficult to shape into intricate shapes and frequently require wheel coverings. Alloy aluminum alloy rims are used on the majority of cars today since they are thought to be relatively strong and light. To improve performance and lengthen use, a variety of metals were combined to create this product. Alloy wheel prices today typically range from $100 to $800. One rim, however, can cost you upwards of $2,000 from some custom wheel manufacturers. Benefit steel wheels are a cheaper lightweight alternative to alloy rims. Typically, an aluminum and nickel alloy is used to create them, which is both light and relatively stiff. They are now widely used in the industry as a result of the alloy's qualities. Alloy wheels reduce pollution, increase fuel efficiency, and can be crafted into stunning, intricate forms. Additionally, due to the larger open space between the spokes, they offer higher heat dissipation qualities, which significantly enhance braking performance. Some inexpensive alloy wheels are not very rigid and are susceptible to damage from curbs and potholes. Even the best alloy wheels won't last as long as steel rims, especially in terms of impact resistance. Carbon fiber rims for racing cars. Carbon fiber rims are most frequently used. These rims are incredibly lightweight and robust. Sadly, they are also pricey and difficult to come by. Carbon fiber rims aren't typically installed on everyday vehicles due to this, as well as its brittleness and propensity to fracture in powerful collisions. Customized, high-end wheels can cost more than $1,000 each. The labor-intensive manufacturing process, which frequently involves manual labor, is the primary cause of this. It entails designing and making a mold, placing the carbon fiber, pressing and heating it, finishing and inspecting it, and finally painting or coating it. Not to mention that the carbon fiber layers must first be woven, which requires highly expensive equipment. Even the highest quality forged wheels are heavier than carbon fiber wheels because of their exceptional lightness. They are also stiffer, which enhances the performance advantages. A car with carbon fiber wheels will be faster, more maneuverable, and stop sooner as a result. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.